We're running around. Oh, oh, what was that? What was that?
Wayne, honey, you gotta be careful where you're going. I don't want you to get hurt. Look where you're going, Wayne.
Ooh, she thinks, Mom, it's animal hour, right? Hi, Mr. Puppy. Hi, Mr. Puppy. What do you want to be when you're a grown-up? I want to be a firefighter, Mom. I am not your mom. Okay, you're a firefighter. You're a firefighter, I said. You're a firefighter. You're a firefighter now. Thank you, Mr. Pines. My last name is not Pines. What? You silly goose. Your last name is Pines. No, it's Musbatch. Hey. Hey, stop kicking my butt. What else do you want to be when you're a grown-up? Hey, Mr. Matcha Licky Butt. Okay, you're a master ultra licky butt. You're an ultra master licky butt. Now what do you want? A toy car.
Wayne, not so loud. You're gonna scare the animals.
Bye.